What's the meaning of clack? Clack. Clack.
Clack. Clack. Clack refers to a short, sharp sound made by objects striking against each other. The sound is typically repetitive and can be produced by a variety of objects, such as typewriters or high heels on a hard surface. The result of the clacking sound can vary depending on the context in which it is heard. For example, the clacking of horse hooves might conjure up images of a Western movie, while the clacking of a keyboard might evoke thoughts of someone typing away at work or school. Ultimately, the meaning of clack is tied to its unique auditory signature and the associations that come with it.